Hey guys, welcome back to our channel once again. We have come your way with another wonderful video. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified as soon as possible. Before we continue, I would like to thank you for always staying tuned to the end and always giving us your support and liking our videos. Make sure to share with your friends and those who are in need of this video. Today we want to continue from where we stopped the last time. So the last time we learned about Python string. That is the data types, which will continue and we end at the strings. So we want to continue from where we stopped the last time. So today we'll be learning about 2 or 3 things under Python strings. So the last time we learned that Python strings are statements that are surrounded by either a single or a double quotation mark. So you can see in this example here, we say print hello is either in a single or a double quotation mark. Either of these two is correct in any time you are typing or you are writing a code. So now we want to know how we can assign a variable to a string. Assigning a string to a variable is done with a variable name followed by an equal sign and the string. Like in this example, a is an example of a variable, and the hello world, which is in a quotation mark, the double quotation mark, is the string. So you want to assign the string to any variable like a. You just say a is equals to the variable, the string. Yeah, a is equals to hello world, which is the string. And then you want to print that code, or you want to run the code, you can just say print the variable and then it will print whatever the variable represents. So let's say a represents banana. You can write print a, then run the code and then it will write the banana for you. So let's try this example and see how it goes. So now let's take b to be our variable and assign it to a string. So b is equals to our string. So let's choose football to be our string. Then we close it with the quotation, the double quotation marks. Here now write print b. Then we'll close the bracket. So let's run this code and see how it goes. You can see here we are correct. B is equals to football. So if you run this code, you will get the string to be football. So let's go back to the next thing we want to take or want to learn today. Now here, the next thing we want to learn is multiline string. You can assign a multiline string to a variable by using 3 quotation marks here. For example, here you can see 3 double quotes. A is equals to Lorem or so and so. Yeah, you can see here you can write a lot of things, so many things or so many strings. Then you can start that. That is, let's say you want to write a list of items or whatever it is, and there are many. It's not only one thing. You can use 3 quotation marks to write this string. Like in this example here, you can start with the 3 quotation mark and then end with 3 quotation marks. Then you can do what? Print or run your code. So you can see here, let's try this ourselves. Let's take x to be our variable, then we assign it to the string. So x is equals to, then we start with our 3 quotations, 1 2 3. Then we can write the things we want to assign the variable to. So let's say banana, then you put your comma. Let's say mango, comma, let's say a list of fruits. Yeah, so let's say pineapple, then we'll put our comma. Let's say apple, I think this is okay. Now we'll close with the 3 quotation marks. 1, 2, 3. Then you come down here and write print bracket open, print x, then close your variable. Let's run the code. So you can see here, these are the list of the things we wrote in these 3 quotation marks. So this is all we want to learn for today. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share with those who are in need of this video. Stay tuned to the next video. I'll come your way with another wonderful video. Make sure to subscribe before you leave. Thank you for watching. Love you. See you in the next video. Bye.